Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bookie's World Kitchen YouTube channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and to anyone who would come across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, tell your friends and families about my YouTube channel, and please turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you get notified. So today I'll be showing you how to make your tilapia look like an oven or charcoal grilled tilapia. I'll be scoring the fish on both sides. This is gonna help all the ingredients and spices to penetrate. Now I'm gonna go ahead and marinate this fish with spices, different spices. Just use any different spices of your desire and you're good to go, guys. So after marinating, I'm gonna leave it in the fridge. You can leave it for a whole day or 2 days. You can as well leave it for 40 minutes as you wish. I kept mine in the refrigerator overnight. Cover and keep in the refrigerator overnight or for few minutes, for 40 minutes. On the list here is bell pepper, habanero pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, basil leaf. So it's time, guys, to fry the fish stew. So I actually blended the pepper mix, garlic, ginger, basil leaf, and you can blend or grate your pepper mix. So in a pan I added a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna be preheating this on a low heat for 5 minutes before adding the pepper mix. Also note I added more garlic and ginger behind the camera. So in a separate pan I added some oil, enough oil to fry my tilapia. I added onions to give it that, that nice flavor. So while preheating the tilapia, the oil for the tilapia fish, the oil for the stew had been preheated. So right now I'm gonna be adding some tomato paste. I want it to give it this red pinkish color. I just want everything to be perfect, So I added some tomato paste. While this is being fried for like 3 minutes on a low medium heat, I'm gonna be adding the pepper mix and give it a nice stir. Also I'll be adding Maggi, some spices which I'm gonna be leaving on the screen. I'm gonna be leaving the names on the screen, and I'll be adding spices, Maggi and crayfish. gonna be adding a little bit of water. So my beautiful people, the oil has been preheated, so I'm gonna be lowering the fish into the oil gently and fry this on medium heat till it's golden brown. So guys, while frying the fish on medium heat, likewise our stew is frying on low heat, and it's actually almost ready, guys, so stay tuned. So guys, our fish is almost ready, so I'm just trying to turn it to the other side. While trying to turn it, make sure you do this gently to avoid your fish from being mushy or broken. Fish is ready, and this is what our fish looks like. So nice, looks so beautiful. You can as well eat this like this, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be coating it with our stew. So now I'm gonna be adding the fried tilapia into the stew to be coated, and just look at the way I'm doing it. Just follow the steps, guys, please follow the steps. You're gonna love it. I just want to make sure the stew penetrates into the fish. So this is the outcome. So I'm gonna be covering this and let it steam together for 7 to 10 minutes on low heat. So guys, our fish is ready. Just look at it. It looks so nice, so beautiful. Oh my god, this tasted so delicious. It was so nice. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Please, I beg you, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me. I can't do this alone, guys. Please support me. When you watch my videos, please subscribe to my